Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX upload error on ShareX in 2026. So if your screenshots or videos are not uploading, or you're getting failed upload messages, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons uploads fail. Next, go to your upload settings and make sure the correct destination is selected, like Imgur, Google Drive, or your custom server. Now verify your API keys or login tokens. If they are expired or incorrect, uploads will not work at all. Next, check if the upload service is down. Sometimes the issue is not on your side, so try switching to another upload provider. Now disable VPN or proxy if you are using one, because it can block upload requests or cause authentication failures. Next, open ShareX as administrator to ensure it has full permission to access network and system resources. Now clear cache or reset upload settings inside ShareX if the configuration is corrupted. Next, update ShareX to the latest version because older versions may break compatibility with upload services. Now try uploading a small file to test if the issue is file-specific or general. Finally, restart ShareX and try the upload again after a fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX upload error issue. Now your files should upload properly without any failures. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hey everyone, welcome back.